Hello, Bruce with Pond Supply. Hey, I want to talk about early season plant care for your pond. What do we need to do to get our plants ready for the season? It's spring, things are starting to warm up a bit. What do we do? Well, the first thing we want to do is we want to divide and repot. A lot of times we'll get a lot of root binding in our plants. If they're in a pot, you'll see that the roots are swirling around the bottom of the pot or even coming out the holes. So it's time to pull those out, cut them down, and repot them. If you don't have room for all the extra plants, if you know other folks with ponds, it's a good time to do some swapping, do some trading. You could also consider starting a veggie filter. Once we've got our plants divided and repotted, or actually, let's get them divided first. Now talk about repotting them. What do we want to pot them in? The last thing we want to do is take some dirt and put it in the pot. No soil, nothing organic. It's just going to cause us problems in the pond. And, the roots don't need the soil. They don't need, the dirt to grow. They're going to be, the whole point, for me anyway, for having these plants in the pond is to compete with the algae for the nutrients in the pond and keep my pond clean. So what I want to do is use a planting media. You can buy them at any local pond stores. We have them at pondsupply.com. You could also go out and just use kitty litter. Don't use the clumping stuff, but just the basic clay, the kitty litter clay. I'm a big fan of just pea gravel. In fact, especially if I'm doing any kind of a run where I'm doing a lot of planting to do a veggie filter, I just want to lay down a roll of filter material, put my plants on top of that, and just put a little pea gravel around it to hold the plants until the roots can get started through the filter. And then that way my roots are going to go down through the filter, give my fish a little something to nibble on, and just get after competing with the algae for the nutrients in the pond. If we're doing our water lilies, when you plant those guys, be sure you put some fertilizer tabs in there. That now is the time to do that. And of course, if we've already got some dead stuff on our plants, whether it's in the stalks, any organic part of the plant that's not working for us, any old leaves that have shriveled up, get them out of there now before they fall off and start clogging up your filters, fall to the bottom of the pond, and start making that, where you kind of get that tea-colored water. Let's get rid of any organics before we cause that problem. And the last thing about pond plants is be patient on your floaters. If you have a greenhouse and you want to get some floaters, great. Get them started in the greenhouse. But every year, no matter how patient I try to be, I always end up losing floaters because I put them in too soon. We get a cold snap and they're gone. So be patient on your floaters. So anyway, that's kind of the quick and dirty on getting your pond plants, back in season. Thanks.